All right, so we're done for today. Cut quite a few rows going parallel with the main road, and it's pretty rocky, rough terrain, so pushing this bad boy was a little bit of a workout. Each row is about 200 feet long, and then they're spaced 7 feet apart. So tomorrow I'm gonna come back, and you can see the spots that are left. So I'll come back and go the other direction tomorrow, and we'll be able to whack those ones down the rest of the way down. So that'll be fun. But all in all, this little Craftsman walk behind string trimmer did a pretty decent job. One thing I've realized is if you're dealing with some really thick weeds and maybe some woody material in there, because this does have metal blades just below the string, so if you get into some thick stuff, it'll chop it down. But they seem to fly back and hit you in the face, hit you in the ears, and whatnot. So I definitely recommend wearing some face protection. All right, we'll see you tomorrow.